Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to discuss about formation of images due to concave mirror. Already we discussed the definitions of concave mirror and convex mirror yesterday. Concave mirror means if the convex surface is silvered and concave surface acts as a reflecting surface, such a mirror is called concave mirror. Now, case 1. When the object is at infinity. Okay. Now, place the object in front of the concave mirror. Okay, concave mirror means convex surface we are going to silver. This we can call as pole. Now object is placed at infinity, where somewhere it is on the principal axis. The rays are coming from infinity are going to incident on the concave surface. This is the center of curvature. And after hitting the surface, reflecting surface, it will be reflected. Okay, the reflected rays are going to meet at one point. Their image is going to be formed. Okay, now when the object is at infinity, the characteristics of image is real, image is inverted, image is highly diminished, image is formed at principal focus. Here the image is formed at the principal focus. This is the case 1. Case 2. Okay, case 2 here. When the object is placed beyond center of curvature. When the object is placed beyond center of curvature C. Okay. Now what are the characteristics of image? Take the concave mirror. Okay, object we are placing beyond the center of curvature C. Now this is the object here. AB is the object we are placing. Here in the first case the object is at infinity. In second case we have placed the object beyond the center of curvature. Now the light rays are going to incident on the concave surface and it will reflect. And another light rays are going to passes through this surface, passes through the center of curvature. Okay, this is the reflected ray and meet at the principal focus. The light rays going to the center of curvature and again it will hit the surface, concave surface and reflect back. Okay, where the two reflected light rays are going to intersect, where the image is formed. Here the image is inverted image is formed. Okay, here the nature of the image is, here also real image, inverted image, diminished image, and the image is formed between center of curvature and principal focus. This is the pole. Okay, this is the case 2. And case 3. Case 3. When the object is placed at center of curvature. When the object is at center of curvature. Again consider the concave mirror. Object we are placing at center of curvature. The image is also formed at the center of curvature, but inverted image will be formed. And the light rays which are going to passes through the focus. Okay, and another light ray is going to instead like this. And these light rays, both light rays are going to meet at a point where the image is formed. And this is the center of curvature and this is the focus. Okay, this is the pole of the mirror, where here the image is formed. Okay, when the object is at center of curvature, the nature of the image is real image is formed, inverted, and the same size of the object. Object is size how much means image is same, and image is formed at the center of curvature, where and the object is placed at center of curvature. And case 4. When the object is placed between center of curvature and principal focus. Case 4. When the object is placed between center of curvature and principal focus. Again take the concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. This is the pole of the mirror. And now we are placing the object in between C and F. and it is going to pass us through the focus, and one more light ray is going to hit like this and it is going to pass, and again we are getting the inverted image, but the image is formed beyond the center of curvature, beyond the center of curvature. Okay, when the object is placed between center of curvature and focus, fourth case, when the object is placed between center of curvature and the principal focus, the image is formed beyond the center of curvature. And now the nature of image is real image but inverted, real image, inverted image, and enlarged image. See the position of the object, okay, and see the size of the image. Here the object size is small and the image size is large. Means enlarged image is formed and it is formed beyond the center of curvature. This is the case 4. And going to the case 5, when the object is placed at focus, when the object is placed at principal focus, when the object is at principal focus, okay, this case is opposite to the first case. In first case we have kept the object infinity, image is formed at focus. Now this time we are placing the object at focus. Object is placed at the principal focus, okay, and the image is formed at infinity. Okay, you can extend these two light rays and these are going to meet at infinite distance. Therefore, when the object is placed at the principal focus here, look at the object we are placing at principal focus, and the light rays are going to reflect like this, okay, and these are going to pass like this, and the image is formed at infinite, means image nature is real image, okay, here it is real image, inverted image, highly enlarged image, highly enlarged image, and image is formed at infinity. Okay, this case is reversed for first case. And coming to the sixth case. Okay, when the object is placed between focus and pole of the mirror. Okay, when the object is placed between focus and pole of the mirror. Okay, this is the concave mirror. Now the object is placed between pole and focus. This is the focus and this is the pole of the mirror. It will hit like this and it is again passes through the principal focus. One light ray and another light ray is going to pass us through the pole like this. And we have to extend these light rays backwards, and those are going to meet at one certain point where the image is going to be formed. Okay, here in this case the image is formed. Okay, look at the figure here clearly. The image is magnified image and visual image. The nature of the image is visual. Okay, it is formed behind the concave mirror. Visual image, erect or upright image, magnified image, and the image is formed behind the concave mirror. Image is formed behind the concave mirror when the object is placed between focus and pole of the mirror. From all these 6 cases, when you are going to observe that when the object is moving towards the concave mirror, the image is moving away from the concave mirror. Okay, from all these cases we are going to observe that when the object is moving towards the concave mirror, the image is moving away from the concave mirror. These are the formation of images due to concave mirror. Now let us go through the formation of images due to convex mirror also. Okay, in this we have only 2 cases. Formation of images due to convex mirror. Images due to convex mirror. Okay, coming to the case 1, when the object is at infinity, when the object is at infinity. Okay, you know the convex mirror. What is the convex mirror? If the concave surface is silvered, means inside hollow surface we are silvering. If the hollow surface is silvered and convex surface acts as a reflecting surface, such a mirror is called, here it is called convex mirror. Okay, the light rays are coming from infinite and it is going instant on the convex surface. And again these are going to reflect like this. These are the reflected light rays. Now you have to extend these light rays and those are going to meet at a one point where that is called focus. And this is the pole of the mirror, this is focus and this is center of the. Okay, what are the nature of image? The nature of image is virtual image, erect image, highly diminished image is formed. Highly diminished image is formed and image is formed at principal focus. At focus. The image is formed at principal focus. Means when the object is coming from infinity, it is going to instant on the convex surface and these rays are reflected back and the rays are going to diverge and meet at the point focus where the image is going to form. That image is virtual image, erect image, highly diminished and image is formed at principal focus here. Okay, coming to the second case here for convex mirror, formation of images due to the convex mirror. Case 2. Suppose if the object is placed between infinity and pole of the mirror. Infinity and pole of the mirror. Okay. Means this is the concave surface silvered. The object is placed in between infinity to pole of the mirror. Means anywhere. The light rays are going to instant like this, and this will be reflected, and another light ray is going to like this, and these are going to extend back, and this is the focus where the image is going to be formed here. This is the center of curvature. Okay, you can extend the light ray backwards. They are going to meet at a point. Means the nature of image is virtual, erect image, diminished image, and image is formed between pole and focus. Image is formed. Image is in between principal focus, pole of the mirror, and principal focus of the convex mirror. Okay, this is the second case. When the object is placed between infinity and pole of the mirror, the image nature is virtual image, erect image, diminished image, and image is formed between pole of the mirror and principal focus here. Okay, if you have any doubt, go through the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.